Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to center a comment box on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will center this comment box on this page. Click on this home option and this selection menu, click here this drop down arrow and select annotation. Now click on this comment box and select. Now click right button and here you will find the center option. You can center this comment box horizontally and center it vertically and again move it anywhere. Now click right button and select center. You can center vertically and horizontally both at once and see this. In this way you can center and manage a text box position customly. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.